District Administration Thoubal na Sinduna Humbudra Tret Lak Suba State Republic Day Thouram CHAOYAIMA Higher Secondary School Ground NGARANG Pangthokkhre Haukiba Nimita Pangthokkiba Thouram aduda Deputy Commissioner Thoubal Yumnam Robita IAS na Jatigi Machu Ahumgi Firal Chingkhatki Loinana Contingent Kuntaret na Sarukya Kiba Mars Paki Salute Oki Republic Day Palan Thouram aduda Manoj Pravakar MIPS Superintendent of Police Thoubal Aribam Amarjit Sharma ADM Thoubal SDO SGC DLO Official Amadi Tongan Department ki staff sing su sarukya ki.
We remember with great gratitude the visionaries who gave us our Constitution, ensuring justice, liberty and equality for every citizen. I pay homage to the brave freedom fighters and the architects of our Constitution, particularly Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We stand here to honor the day in 1950 when our Constitution came into effect, transforming India into a sovereign democratic republic. It is a matter of collective pride and joy for all citizens. This day is not merely a national celebration. It is also a tribute to the day our Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, shaping India into the world's greatest democracy. It is a moment to honor the ideals that define us and celebrate the progress we continue to make together. It honors the nation's sovereignty, democratic values and progress. This year's celebration is historic as we mark the 150th anniversary of our national song, Vande Mataram, penned by Kim Chopadhyay. For generations, these verses have been the mantra of independence, and today they guide our mantra of prosperity as we strive for an Atmanirbhar Bharat and the vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. The theme for the 2026 Republic Day celebration reflects patriotic spirit and focus on self-reliance. This year's achievement of Thoubal district are closely aligned with the national theme, 150 years of Vande Mataram. This year-long commemoration, which began on 7th November 2025, serves as a cornerstone for the district's current development and cultural narrative. Our district administration has prioritized the resettlement and support of internally displaced persons. The district administration, in coordination with the Manipur State Commission for Women, continues to prioritize the needs of women and children in relief camp, ensuring they receive regular skill development, training to sustain their livelihoods and ensure that every citizen can return to a life of dignity and stability. Peace is the foundation of our progress, and I urge every citizen to foster mutual trust